A pine cone peanut butter bird feeder is a fun bird feeder craft that little kids as well as older kids will enjoy creating. I'm Annette at needlepointers.com, and recently I made pine cone bird feeders like these with the grandchildren. So today I'd like to show you how to make them. This pine cone bird feeder can be made in just a few simple steps. What you'll need to make the pine cone bird feeders are large pine cones, peanut butter, bird seed, plastic knife or popsicle stick, paper plates, scissor, twine or string, and paper towels. If you have a child that is allergic to peanut butter or peanut products, you could substitute Crisco shortening, honey, or sunflower seed butter. To prepare for this project, scoop some peanut butter from the jar and put it on a paper plate. It can be creamy or chunky. Next, pour some bird seed into another paper plate. Allow the child to choose a pine cone and tie a piece of twine or string to the top of the pine cone. Do this before covering the pine cone with peanut butter to avoid a huge mess. Place the pine cone on a paper plate with the peanut butter and have the child use a plastic knife or popsicle stick to spread the peanut butter onto the pine cone. You want a generous layer of peanut butter on there. The peanut butter acts like a glue to hold the bird seed onto the pine cone. This step can be a little messy, but it is the perfect opportunity for children to develop their fine motor skills and learn how to use a knife. Once the pine cone is completely covered with peanut butter, the child can roll or sprinkle the peanut buttery pine cone with bird seed until it's well coated. Make sure that it is nice and compact. Also, I recommend having paper towels, wet and dry, handy so that you can clean up the messy hands. And ta-da! Your pine cone bird feeder is finished. Now, hang this new bird feeder from tree branches in your backyard and wait for feathery friends to come to feast. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make pine cone bird feeders and decide to make some with your kids and grandkids. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, click the links in the description. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other pine cone free projects and tutorials.